The creator of Link to It, Mark Bishop, just makes an awesome software that helps him to make $55 per sale. Newbie-friendly cloud-based software will turn any links and keywords into high-quality content video and drive unlimited free traffic in minutes. The good part is Mark already shared his 3 years of proof that how this software helps him to generate passive income from free targeted traffic. But before that, if you want to learn more about the informative video, tools and software, then subscribe and click the notification bell button. Also, if you want to learn my #1 recommendation to make money online, then feel free to click the first link in the description. So without wasting any time, let's get into today's video. Hey, what's going on? Shipondeon with you. If you don't know about me, I am a full-time online worker who loves to learn and makes money. But today you will learn all about the Link to It, that how this software will work for you to generate more commission and traffic to grow your online business. So let's watch the video.
They say content is king, and they're right. But content videos are better. They rank quicker, they stick, they drive free targeted traffic to your websites, to your offers, or directly to your affiliate links, and they work in any niche. How do we know? Because we've been using content videos since 2015. Look at this, 3 years at the very top of Google, and this, 10,000 plus views on one content video for just a couple of minutes work, and that's just the start. These tiny little content videos pull in thousands and thousands of views on autopilot. They rank and they drive free traffic without any maintenance. So, let me ask you, do you need free targeted traffic? Traffic you can use in any niche? If you said yes, then let me show you how this works. It starts with Link to Vid. Link to Vid is a unique, web-based app that turns any link or keyword into a fully formatted content video in seconds. That's right, I did say link or keyword. You don't need anything else. And it's as easy as 1, 2, 3, 4 when you follow these steps. Step 1. Enter a page link or keyword into the software. You can turn any content-based page into a video. You can repurpose blog posts, articles, you name it. Just drop in the link and Link to Vid builds you a video. Or, what about building a fully formatted content video from nothing more than a keyword? Link to Vid does that too. Simply enter a keyword and Link to Vid will extract the content from our huge database and deliver your new video in minutes. Step 2. This bit is optional, but if you want to, you can edit your video. Decide what goes where. Add one of our animated background templates. There are dozens to choose from. You can include images, background music, voiceovers, and a whole lot more. Step 3. View your video using our in-browser preview feature and then upload it directly to YouTube. Link to Vid integrates with YouTube, which makes the process fast and simple. Plus, you can also download the video as an MP4. Step 4. Then SEO your content video with Link to Vid and just a few clicks of your mouse. So your content videos rank fast and you start getting free targeted traffic. Sounds easy, right? Well, that's because it is. This isn't rocket science, but it works, and it continues to work, as you will see on the page below this video. All you need is a link or a keyword, and then Link to Vid does the rest. You can use Link to Vid to create, upload, share, and SEO fully formatted content videos. You can use Link to Vid to target and dominate any niche you like. You can start driving free targeted traffic today. And it all takes literally minutes. Make sure you watch the demo video below to see just how easy and fast this app really is. But there's more. Making and ranking content videos in minutes from links and keywords is pretty amazing all by itself. But we have a few more tricks to share. If you get access to Link to Vid today, we'll also give you our own content video success formula. Remember, we've been doing this since 2015, so we know what works. If you want the kind of results you see below, all you need to do is use Link to Vid with our formula. So, do you want to turn links and keywords into content videos in seconds? Do you want to see those videos rank at the top of Google and stay there? Do you want our content video formula? Yes? Great! Then here's what you need to do now. 1. Read the rest of this page. 2. Check out the results. 3. Watch the software demonstration. so you can see exactly how easy Link2Vid is to use. Then, click the Buy button at the bottom of this page. If you buy now, you'll pay just once, so no monthly payments. Plus, when you get Link2Vid today, you'll also get our personal content video formula. The same formula we use to get the results you see on this page, so you'll know exactly how to do what we do straight away. Start now, before the price rises again.
So hope my video helped you to learn something informative. Let me know this software will really gonna work for you or not. Write in a comments below. And you can get your copy if you think this software will really gonna help you. And check out my #1 recommendation to make money online. It's in the description down below. That will help you to start your passive income and generate more traffic. I highly recommend this who wants to start their own business online and work from themselves. If you're really interested to learn more about the valuable software tools and videos, then don't hesitate to like and share with your friends. Thank you so much for watching and don't forget to subscribe.